So this is how you can turn on the live chat for YouTube live streams. Go on ahead and open up the app, and I'm gonna go on and search for a random live stream. So I'm just gonna type live stream, and here we are. It's going to show me different live streams. I'm just gonna choose one. As you can see, the live chat is right here, but at the bottom it says subscribers only mode. If you see this message, you're gonna have to subscribe to their channel by tapping on subscribe, and there we are. And now we can go on ahead and tap on live chat again and see if it works. But as you can see, it says only channel subscribers of 30 minutes or longer can send messages. So you're gonna have to wait 30 more minutes until you can send a message. For other streams, you can actually type whatever you want, even if you're not subscribed. But on rare occasions, you have to be a member of those YouTubers' memberships where you have to pay just to chat them. So just go ahead and find yourself a live stream where you can chat for free, or you can just go ahead and subscribe to them and wait for 30 minutes. So yeah, that is how you can turn on the live chat for YouTube streams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.